Welcome back to our YouTube channel, the Indianwheelosophy, powered by NextGen Bosch Car Services. Revamping of luxury cars is one of our major segments. Here in this video, we have shown you a few glimpses of our work in this segment.
Oh, I miss this sound so much. It has been so long. I wish I had kept that car. I loved it so much. Yes, you could have kept that car. You could have revamped it and prolonged its life by 7 to 10 years.
One of our expertise is revamping of vehicles. Few months back, we delivered our 100th revamp that was with Mercedes GL.
Here we transformed the looks of the vehicle from a 2014 model year to a 2019 model year. Along with it, we also gave the car some mechanical and electrical upgrades that have enhanced the life of the vehicle by another 7 to 8 years. In order to change the looks of the vehicle, we imported an aftermarket body kit. Installation of this kit is not as easy as it seems to be. You need great expertise to know where the existing body has to be modified to fit the new part and equally greater skill in implementing the same. The exterior paint job played a major role in enhancing the looks of the vehicle and making it more attractive. Our suggestion of going with the sportier shade of Nardo Grey along with the body kit immediately appealed to the customer.
The finishing touches to this job was delivered by the upgradation of the interiors from a standard beige theme to a dramatic black one. We think that the dominating red stitches created a huge impact on the aesthetic appeal of this new upholstery. What do you think? Let us know if you have any other interesting ideas in the comment section below, and we will try to implement it in our next project and announce your name in that video.
We at NextGen are a bunch of automotive engineers and hardcore car enthusiasts. We love cars. We spend so much time with these machines that we know exactly how to treat them and what they need at any given time. Spread over an area of 14,000 square feet, we have been doing this for the past 11 years at our state-of-the-art facility.
Cars revamped by us can be seen zooming past throughout Mumbai and its neighboring cities. Let's understand this wonderful process of revamping with a few of our recent projects.
Mercedes S-Class is one of the most elegant and luxurious vehicles on the road. When this car was brought to us for a complete revamp, our priority was to retain this elegance and still make a 360-degree change, which had to be extraordinarily appealing, and we did it successfully. We transformed the aesthetics of the vehicle from an earlier model to the latest generation model by using an aftermarket body kit. The blaring difference is the pearl effect we used in the same black shade, which now looks shinier, glossier and shimmering during different times of the day. The Mercedes ML was a little worn out and has a faded white colored exterior with beige upholstery for the interiors. To add a little bit of zing to it, we changed the exterior color to glossy black with shiny and pearl effect. The alloy wheels were repainted silver color with high gloss instead of the normal silver. We have tried to maintain the existing theme in the interiors wherever needed, but have changed the upholstery to a sporty and vibrant orange and tangy look, which fully complements the glossy black of the exteriors. For this Audi Q7, we have given the vehicle a matte finish, and the body color is black as it was originally. It looks both fantastic and aggressive. It has enhanced the sporty look of the SUV. This maintains the luxury quotient of the SUV and turns heads for its unexpected matte finish. The Audi A8 was a complete revamp job, and the challenge here was to enhance the life of the vehicle by a few years. This is a 2010 model year car, so there was a lot of wear and tear of the mechanical components, and our team tried and repaired maximum of the components like the suspension, the brakes, and only replaced a few components which couldn't be repaired. For the exteriors, the customer had already envisioned the ghost grey color, and its styling was inspired by Kim Kardashian's cars, and that's what we implemented. The Range Rover was basically a styling kind of job. Here we used an aftermarket body kit to change the exterior and the overall looks of the vehicle.
At NextGen Bosch Car Service, we have a state-of-the-art body and paint shop with a full-size paint booth and paint mixing facility.
Our painters are especially trained by DuPont and they can formulate any color or shade in-house, be it any standard OEM color or any customized color as per the preference of the client.
The next vehicle that we are about to see is a Porsche Cayenne, which was a very special project for us. Here, the customer had a very different and challenging request for the shade of the color he wanted his vehicle to be done up in. He was talking about some electric blue which should be unique to the industry. So our painters formulated this unique electric blue color for his car. When we called the customer to see the trial coat, he was overwhelmed and said this is the exact color he had envisioned. How wonderful this shade of the electric blue looks at different times of the day.
Our most successful process of revamping an old car is so amazing that it can be associated with reverse aging. And the outcome is so good that the car looks like it has just come out of the factory in a mint condition.
So we take a completely holistic approach, which includes revamping, restoration and repair of all the components, be it a mechanical part, an electrical part, an interior part, an exterior part, or be it even the accessories. We wholeheartedly work on it to ensure that every component is restored to its best.
Our sole intention is to increase the longevity of the car. The whole idea and thinking behind the revamping process is that the owner of the car should be able to use the car for another 7 to 8 years good without any major problems.
Just like how you would want the best school, the best university, the best amenities, the best doctors for your children, won't you, the car lover, want the most trustworthy service provider or workshop for your car? That's where we come in. At NextGen, we have been serving customers like you for the past 11 years, and we have an impeccable record of serving the car geek and the most discerning customer like you.
On behalf of the whole NextGen family, I humbly invite you all to our workshop to experience firsthand the different processes that your car undergoes while it is in our hands at the workshop to get the desired results.
If you have come this far, please don't forget to like and share this video. Hit the subscribe button to get notifications of our future video releases. Thank you for watching Indianwheelosophy, powered by NextGen Bosch Car Services.